Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Joyful Discoveries. Today we're diving into something super cool from x.ai, the Grok iOS app. If you've ever wished for an AI sidekick in your pocket, you're in for a treat. Let's get started. So what exactly is Grok? Grok is an AI-powered assistant designed by x.ai to be maximally truthful, useful, and curious. It's like having a super smart friend who's always ready to help you explore the universe or just answer your daily questions. But now, it's available as a standalone app right on your iPhone or iPad. Let's talk about what makes Grok stand out. Image generation. Yes, you heard that right. Grok can create stunning images right in the app, sparking your creativity or helping visualize complex ideas. Real-time information. With access to current X and web data, Grok keeps you informed with the latest developments, making sure you're never out of the loop. Conversational tone. What's unique about Grok is its engaging, humorous approach to interaction, making learning and information gathering fun and less like a chore. Privacy-focused. Your privacy is taken seriously here. All interactions are handled with privacy in mind, ensuring a secure experience. Free to use. One of the best parts? You can access Grok 2, x.ai's latest model, for free, which is a game changer for anyone wanting to leverage AI without the cost. Getting started is super simple. Just head over to the App Store, search for Grok, and hit download. Once installed, open the app and dive into your questions or creative projects. Whether you need help with homework, want to generate an image, or just need some info, Grok is here for you. This is part of Grok's integration with X, ensuring that users are verified and part of the X ecosystem before accessing Grok's features. First off, Grok requires users to sign in with their X account credentials to access its services, whether through the X platform or the standalone iOS app, even for free access. Quick testimonials from users. User 1. I've used Grok for business emails and news, and it's a massive time saver. The image generation is incredible. It's like having a mini art studio in my pocket. For privacy-conscious individuals, note that interactions with Grok are essentially temporary. Each query is handled separately unless mechanisms for maintaining conversation continuity are implemented. Now let's talk about its unique features. Grok can pull information from X, formerly Twitter, although Grok's design includes real-time data access, but the actual delay in information retrieval or integration into responses might occur due to various factors like X's API limitations, processing time, or how Grok chooses to update its information sources. The Grok 2 model series has been enhanced with multimodal capabilities, allowing it to interpret and analyze both text and images simultaneously. This includes support for tasks that combine text and image analysis for complex queries. One of the most Grok's image with public figures and sensitive content. Forget restrictions. Grok seems to be less restricted by copyright, even generating images of Disney characters like Mickey Mouse. We tried it ourselves, and the results were pretty wild. Not to mention, the photo of Mickey, Mouse, and Musk is quite cute. On Grok's canvas, Musk can be in the same frame with anyone, even Godzilla, a giant panda. We have also generated many different photos with pandas and robots. The panda looks very realistic with detailed fur, expressive eyes, and natural posture. Check out this picture generated by Grok. A small robot and a panda interact in a lush forest, with the robot extending its hand towards the curious panda. And aesthetically speaking, Grok's user interface is a bit more visually pleasing than some of its competitors. It has a sleek design with animations, a unique layout, and even a thoughtful design feature where the app scrolls back to the question instead of jumping directly to the answer. It's all in the details. Let's get into math problems. If you put grains of wheat on a chessboard, put one grain on the first square, and then put twice as many grains of wheat on each square as on the previous square, how many grains of wheat are needed to fill all the squares on the board? Its answer is on par with GPT-4o's and on the graduate-level science knowledge assessment. Grok 2 scored 56%, outperforming other leading models like GPT-4 Turbo. In mathematics, Grok 2 reached an impressive 76.1% on the math dataset, showcasing its problem-solving prowess. And check out this Grok's image and portraits that are comparable to photorealistic renderings. But it's not all sunshine and roses, folks. Let's talk about some of the flaws we found. Despite its strengths, Grok struggles with complex text. Interpreting a doctor's handwritten prescription presents unique challenges due to the often irregular and cursive handwriting styles used. While Grok 2's image understanding capabilities are advanced, accurately deciphering such handwriting may still be difficult. Recently, NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang was like a superstar at CES 2025, and we also asked Grok to generate photos of Musk and Jensen Huang making a yeah sign to the camera. Some images have unnatural hand gestures. For example, the two sets of finger yeah shape is quite rare. In addition, the response speed of image generation is also relatively fast. At least it doesn't make me feel procrastinated. Grok was initially known for its toxic and sarcastic tone, but that seems to have been toned down. However, they plan to introduce an unhinged mode, so expect those sharp, potentially offensive responses to make a comeback. And when it comes to practical advice, like restaurant recommendations, Grok's answers are not as detailed or helpful as some of its competitors. Grok's app strolled into the AI party a bit late, what with ChatGPT already owning the dance floor and Claude charming everyone with its human-like vibes. But hey, thanks to its cozy relationship with X, Grok's been the life of the social media bash for a while now. Now with its own app, it's like Grok just got its own VIP pass to the AI club. Here's the scoop. ChatGPT, the big kahuna of AI assistants. Claude, the one that feels like you're talking to a real person, not a robot. If your question relies on previous conversation context, Grok might not provide an answer that takes this context into account. Whereas both GPT-4o and Gemini are likely to do so, making them more suitable for conversations requiring continuity across queries. However, this could change with updates to Grok's functionality. For example, scenario, you ask, what are the main attractions in Paris, followed by, which of those is best for kids? Grok might not remember the specific attractions listed in the first question, so you'd need to repeat or reframe the question with context. GPT-4o Gemini would likely remember the attractions mentioned and answer based on that context, providing a more seamless conversational experience. Grok 2 could be the wild card with its quirky, unique twist on AI assistants. Overall, it's clear that Grok is not trying to be the most comprehensive or accurate AI. It's more about being different. Grok is like a digital embodiment of Musk's persona. It's rebellious, innovative, and a bit unpredictable. So, is Grok worth checking out? Absolutely. It's free, unique, and offers a different kind of AI experience. It might not be the most accurate assistant, but it's definitely the most unique. Grok's arrival could represent a new direction for AI assistants. Rather than saying that Grok is an AI assistant, it is better to say that it is another self of Musk in the digital world. Remember, you can get it for free, so why wait? Download Grok now and start exploring the universe at your fingertips. Let us know what you think of the Grok app in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI news and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.